Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from OnePay. So first you just have to open your OnePay application. From here at the bottom menu, just click on Cash Control. So once you click on Cash Control, you have few options right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on Move Money. And in here we have two options, which is internal transfer or to another bank. So we're just going to click on to another bank if you're transferring to another bank account. So in here, you just have to type in the amount that you're going to be transferring. So in this one, I'm just going to transfer $20 and then continue by clicking on the continue button at the bottom. So from here, you will be asked on where you're sending the money to. So we have here the debit card, which is instant, but it has the $0.35 fee. So if you want instant, you can go ahead and click on that one. And if you're transferring to another bank account, it will take 1 to 3 business days. So if you want to go ahead and click on this one, then do it. So I'm just going to click on this one and then go ahead and tap on transfer at the bottom. So there you have it. As you can see, your OnePay debit card is on its way. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!